Hello everyone, welcome to Trading Bulk channel. Before we move to next tomorrow's prediction for Thursday, let's see what happened today. In the last 4 days, we see each day is in one trend. And the before this day, 18th July, Friday was completely bearish, and next day we saw a very big green candle, and yesterday it was again a bearish, and today it showed a bullish view. So when the market opens itself, it was opening with a gap down, gap up, and it was an alternative swing on each day. But from yesterday's prediction of us, our points did not meet. It was in opposite direction, but whatever we put as a threshold, it did not meet, but it respected. So how it is? So we said we favor Nifty in bearish mode because the previous day was in a bearish signal. So we were expecting Nifty to come down, but it opened a gap up today. And we said wait for the 30-minute candle to close below 24,990 to enter put lots. So and also I said I'm favoring bearish till the price stay below 2,500. But what happened yesterday? What happened today? There was a big gap up, and market opened itself above 2,500. So at the opening gap up itself, our condition failed. So there was no point of entering into put call. And also for buy call, I told that only above 25255 we will enter into buy call. So, but market did not even touch 255. The reason why I told because the previous day was a bearish candle. So I thought if the market goes up, it will be more or less it will be flat. But it was a gap up and it moved upside. But no problem. Let's see. Let's see for tomorrow how it will be. Okay. For tomorrow is also an expiry day. You need to be little careful while trading. So let's see from higher time frames. Okay, if you take daily time frame, this big red candle, this fall has been covered almost. So almost it has covered this level. This fall has been covered in last 4 days, which is good, which is a sign of little bit of momentum on the upper side. And in the daily chart, you see there is a fair value gap is there still to fill up. Let me take that. Yes, this gap has to be filled, which will likely to go up to fill it. Let's see 4 hours time frame. Yes, 4 hours time frame. It is in the sell side. Let's see 3 hours time frame. 3 hours time frame. So we have a strong resistance at 25,332, and the next resistance it is 25,248, 25,250. Yes, it's let's check 2 hour time frame. Again, a 2 hour time frame, 25,335. There is a liquidity and seller zone. And the 2 hour time frame, it is already in buy side, which is a good indication for going further upside. Okay, 1 hour time frame, there are some liquidity to be taken at the 250 level, but there is a lesser volume of liquidity to be swept here. 30 minutes time frame, 50 minutes time frame. Yes. So guys, let me put my prediction here. we have the pivot at 25,181. So until the price stays above the pivot 25,180, you should be in the call side. Okay, so this is the first condition. Let's take this one. Okay, above 25,200, 25,200, stay on buy side. Okay, stay on buy side, but you should enter buy at the reversal of 25,200, or you should enter buy only above 25,255. So this is important. Second point is enter buy only if price stays above 25,255. This is important because there is a strong seller block is here. If you see 30 minutes candle, if you see 30 minutes time zone, no, if you take 1 hour time zone, you see there is a seller side liquidity is there. This sweep has to come uh, till the price moves above 255. Don't enter buy position because price can be flat at between this range. Price will be flat between 25,255 and 25,200. This 25 points, this 50 points price can be flat tomorrow. So be patient to make an entry, enter into buy side only above 25 to 55. Okay, but there are more chances price will break this point and it will go up. What will be the target? This will be the first target. 25,330 will be the first target. Okay, first target will be 25,330. Yes, 25,330. Exit your buy position at 25,330. Okay, you can enter by second buy position only above 25,425 for target 25,476. Let's see 3 hour time frame. Yes, it can come to 25,475. Second target will be 25,475. But here entry point above, let me tell you the entry point, 24, 25, 375. If price stay up, if 4-hour candle closes above 25,375, enter buy. Okay, so first target, exit your buy position. Second target will be 23,475, but entry point, if the 4-hour candle closes 25,375, enter buy. Otherwise, do not enter into second buy position. But once you enter into buy position, first target is 25,330. You need to close your position. Okay, because tomorrow's expiry, it can sometimes it can do a big fall as well. Okay, it is very simple. If the price is going below 25,158, it will be in the sell side. Since tomorrow is expiry, anything can happen. So if it is a sell side, it can come up to 25,000. Okay, so this will be the sell side. Sell side entry is below 25,000. 25,160. 25,160. 160. For target 25,000. 25,100. $25,050. Target 1. Target 2. Okay, guys, I've clearly given all the signals. Okay, so let's summarize for Nifty. About 25,200, stay on buy side. This is first. Second is enter buy only if price stays above 25,255. And third will be first target will be 25,330. Exit your buy position at 25,330. Okay. You can get second entry, but second target will be 25,475. Entry point if 4-hour candle closes above 2 and about 225,375, only enter the buy position. Okay. And next is For sell side, is entry is below 25,160 for target 2,500. Okay. Okay, guys, this is very clear. This is on buy side and for sell side. Let's move to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also, it was it opened today and it stayed above the pivot. So let's see um, Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Bank Nifty looks to be bullish. Okay, so today it was bullish. Let's come from 1-day candle, 1-day chart. So alternatively, it was on Friday, it was bearish, and then it was a bullish, then it's bearish, then it is a bullish. If you see, almost it is at the flat range, right? It is consolidating. It is consolidating, and it has not really given a breakout from this zone. Yes. So it can continue flat in this zone. Let's see for lower time frame. Yes, in 4 hours time frame, we have a resistance at 57,360. Let's see 3-hour time frame. Okay, so in 3-hour time frame, there is a liquidity seller side zone has been created, 57,360 again. There is a strong still seller side, seller signal is there. Yes, there is a strong seller signal is there. Seller zone is there. Okay, guys, this is very clear. Okay, Bank Nifty is showing strong resistance. Is currently at strong resistance. It will take this liquidity sweep, but it is at strong resistance still, 57,366. Is 7011. So do not enter buy position until the price stays above 57,370. Okay, so what can be target? Yes, guys, clearly the price should stay above 57,370 because tomorrow it can touch 57,350 and it can come down. So there will be a risk if you enter into buy position. If you are not a professional scalper, you may lose some money. because we have our pivot at 57,137. The price can drop to 57,137 and it can bounce back as well. So it is very ambiguous which direction it will go, because there is a lot of seller zone has formed. For me, the price can touch 57,433. Target 57,430. Let me reconfirm the target. 57,500. Also good. 57,520. We have two targets, 57,430, 57,520. If this liquidity has been taken, it is 57,500. Yes. 57,500 or 520. It is possible. That is right. Yes, 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 guys. So be careful. Do not enter position here. Other entry point is, let's take 5 minutes time frame, 5700. Okay, 5700. Yes. Second buy entry, look for reversal at 5700. If there is a reversal at 5700, enter buy above 57,135. For target 57,200. 57,350. Again, it follows the same thing. It's on 57,500. So I have given two buy entries. There is no sell side given. Sell side is bit risky for now. Tomorrow price is going to come down at opening. Price is going to come and touch 57,130. 130 for sure. Let me put that comment here. Price will touch 57,130. At pivot. Look for directional view at the pivot, and then follow the 2 points. Okay, so sell side is risky only below. I would say still sell side can be risky because it can come and touch till 57,000, but we don't know whether it will reverse from 57,000 or it will reverse from 57,130. So the price will come down to 57,130 or 57,000, but we cannot say whether price will continue its movement downwards or it will go reversal. That is why I want to be at buy side. I want to avoid sell side. We cannot be at both side, so it will be risky. So one side we have to be biased, and other side we have to go for no trade. That is better, because downside we don't know how much it can break down. Tomorrow's expiry, it can go down 500 points also, but we don't want to take risk to get into that fall, okay, where we don't have definite target. In above side we have a clear target. We have 40, 57 430, 57 500 above here, so there are clearly some 60 to 100 points we can confidently we can capture. Price will touch 57 130. If it opens flat, 200% price is going to come touch. So if you want to capture, you capture this range 57 205 to 57 130. This 70 points down you can capture. Price will touch 57 130 for sure, and then we need to take a decision whether it is going below or above. Okay, so this is the prediction for Bank Nifty, guys. Let's go to gold. Gold clearly takes, see, yesterday's thing, we were favoring bullish, but I said there is a strong resistance at 3440, 3450. So gold, it took the resistance at 3440, as I said, exactly at this point, this resistance I said. So there is a strong resistance I told yesterday, and it took the strong resistance, it started moving down. So enter sell only if price stay below 3,400 and 3,380. So these were 2 points of support. I said enter sell position only below these 2 points. So now market price fallen 3,400, but it has taken a support here and it is not still broken. Okay, so for tomorrow's trade, let's see. It is trading above the below the pivot. Pivot is 3,400. Okay. The price is taking a little bit of support here. Okay. Yes. Yes, it is clear. Let me put it. Gold is 95% bearish for tomorrow. Wait for 4-hour candle to close below 3386 for 100% confirmation. Target for sell side, will be, let me see, 3381. 3380. 3366. 3344. Okay. The reason is because I'm removing the percentage. Gold is bearish for tomorrow, but wait for 4-hour candle to close 3380 for confirmation. Currently, the price is at support and price can bounce up till 3400. 3410. Okay. Gold will turn bullish above 3410. This is little tricky situation, but please remember, guys, enter into bullish side only about 3410. Currently, gold is bearish. For tomorrow, wait for 4-hour candle to close below 3380. 100% currently the price is at support and price can bounce up to 3400. Here it will touch because 3400 is a pivot, so the price could come to 3400. Okay, 3400, 3395. It can come here. Gold will turn bullish above 34. Enter buy position only above 3410. That is right. Not even 3410. I will say 3415, because price can even come here till 3412 and it can take a resistance and it can come down. So this will be the safe entry. Okay. Okay, guys, this is the prediction for tomorrow. This is a very clear forecast we have done. Um, um, Happy trading for tomorrow, guys. Safe trading. Thank you, everyone. Meet you tomorrow.